What edge does the New England Stories milk frother have over these other two brands? It has one distinct feature that the other two don't. So let me tell you about that. Aside from the fact that it's rechargeable and it holds a charge for months, and the fact that you don't actually have to have a cable is a huge plus. It has one feature that the other two do not have. First, I want to tell you what these two have. So this particular brand from Maestri actually has one single speed, which means you can power off and on, but it's got tremendous amount of RPM. So you'll want it for something that you've got large drinks with tons of powder mix in it and you really need some power behind it. The Zulai has 4 different attachments and 2 speeds, and so you're able to pick a lower speed or a higher speed, but that creates the problem of not being able to turn it off necessarily really quickly. You have to press and hold, and so that's one of the features that that offers. Then now, the New England one, it's only 1 speed, but the control is completely, literally under your fingertips. It's actually on the top of the unit versus a button on the front. So when you push down, it's on. When you let go, it stops. Genius. That makes it really easy to control the frother. So that means you only have 1 speed. So I'm going to demonstrate and show you what kind of power this particular double whisk has so you can get a gauge whether you're going to want it for some larger drinks or not. So it has a double whisk and a single speed. So when I'm ready to froth, I go ahead and place it underneath and push on the button. And you can see it's got quite a bit of kick. Look how high that liquid is going. So got a tremendous amount of speed for its size, which also means like it's great for frothing milk. But if you're using it on like a small cup of tea or coffee and you go to actually whisk or stir in some other milks and cream and stuff, you're going to have to be really careful because it's probably going to knock it off the sides because it's pretty strong. So depending on the kind of need you have, the frother is great for frothing milk or cream or whipping up eggs. If you're looking to use it for your small cups of coffee, then I would actually recommend a different style because it has a lot of power. And when you use this on a small amount of liquid with a short cup, it will actually spill out the edge. So what gives this model the advantage over the others is that you can actually control with just single little pulses and you keep it to a minimum or hold it down for full power effect. You can see how it's spilling. It's got some power.